Autumn is arriving in Paris, Ontario, and with it, another step forward in the remarkable restoration of 69 Washington Street. This week, Dan is tackling one of the most delicate parts of the project, removing the old porch roof. What looks simple from above is actually a careful process, revealing over a century of craftsmanship hidden between the layers. Every board tells a story of wear, weather, and time. But in Dan's hand, it's not just demolition, it's preparation for rebirth. As the fall colors settle over this grand old Victorian, progress continues. One beam, one shingle, one vision at a time. Join Dan and follow the transformation of this local landmark, from forgotten relic to restored masterpiece. And don't miss the full episode, premiering October 11th at 8 a.m. on Reign of the Chatelaine on YouTube. Watch history rebuild itself, one beautiful detail at a time. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button.